Hey, let's go down this hill, shall we? I'm in Santa Fe, putting on gloves and stuff, and yeah, it's a FunFast Monday, President's Day, ironically or not, and it's gonna get a little honest, shall we? Up here for a sec. Just see what we can see in the trees. It's pretty up here. It's getting slushy in some areas. Really, it's a gorgeous day. I'm going back to work at the middle school tomorrow, so I gotta get all my juvenile delinquency out of me today. Blue sky and sunshine. It's a pretty day. We're gonna take this one easy, so we don't want to scare any little kids. And also, I'm gonna show you these trees. Let's go over here. Whew! Come up here for a little breezy. Look at the sunshine, a little this and a little that. Let's get out of here though. We'll get back to running it. Try not to make you so dizzy, sorry about that. I gotta try to remember to change it up every 4 seconds. And it's blue, 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 huh? That's quite a hump that got right there. I'm glad I didn't fall on it last time. There's some more of that view for you. Woo. There's that sunshine for you. You're welcome. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out, and it's the least you could do. Also, make sure you stay curious, courageous, fit, and free, because life's too short to take it too seriously. There's my stop.